Okay, so this is a little issue that I found with Google Sheets here. So suppose I have a number of columns here that I'm going to put data in for each one of these people, and so I want to compute the sum of all of these n values, and then I want to compute the sum of all of these values plus the x. So if I put in equals sum of all these things, all the n's, so n1 through n5, and I put in here that I want to calculate the sum of everything including the x. Okay, so if the numbers are different, the sum should be different. If x is non-zero, then the sum of n should be the sum of x. So again, I check this. It's all of the n's. So now I'm going to put some numbers in here. So I could put in any numbers I like. So 1, 2. So far they're adding up correctly. 3, 4, 5, but now I'm going to put 1 in x, and watch what happens. They both come up 6. So originally the formula in this cell was this formula, so b through f, but through some strange occurrence, now it's b through g. This is a real problem. And this will happen for all of these. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So now I've got 5 and 5. If I put 1 in here, I should have 5 and 6. If I look at this formula, it still says B through F. Okay, but when I put a 1 in here, now it says B through G. What the heck? So anyway, that's my problem, and I think it's a pretty serious problem. So if I take these and copy them down, if I copy them down like that, then these formulas stay the same. But if I go back and I enter values, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, boom, I end up with a changed formula here. Putting in data shouldn't change formulas. Anyway, that's my beef, and hopefully somebody can figure out how to fix this. I've even tried like locking the cells to like some degree of success sometime, but this simply just shouldn't happen. If there's some setting I'm missing or something, please let me know. Thanks a lot. That's the end of this very short video. Leave your comments below.